Aha, chocolate and ice cream. Very tasty. Oh my, you are seeing me. Oh my god. You are seeing me. I am eating ice cream. Don't please. You also want to eat ice cream? Now it is cold. I will not eat. Okay, okay. Now it's a little cold. But otherwise, we like to eat ice cream in summers. Yes, na? Yes, it's very tasty. Even I like to eat ice cream. See, I want to eat it again and again, isn't it? So, but we have to keep ourselves fit. We have to eat ice cream, yes. We like chocolates, everything we like. We like fast food, we like burgers, pizzas, pasta, chow mein, Maggie. We like all these things, and you also like. Now I know. Anya, you also like na? And Anaya? And Divyapun, you like to eat ice cream? And you like to eat pasta also? Yes, na? And there are so many children. These are one or two names which I remember just now because I was taking your classes. Now, so next time I will take some other names. Sometimes some names, sometimes some names, isn't it? So everyone likes to eat ice cream and all. But we have to keep ourselves fit. So we have to take some healthy things also. And what are healthy things? Green vegetables, fruits, even the fruit juices. Those things keep us healthy. And we have to wash our hands at times. Nowadays, due to the COVID, we have to wash our hands. We have to keep a distance. And we have to wear a mask on our face. Yes, on our mouth here. So yes. So here now we are doing our lesson 6. Lesson 6, keeping fit. This is there in my screen. I have on your screen you can see my book here, keeping fit. Some parts of our country get terribly hot during summers. In the southern area, southern India, it's extremely hot. We would love to have ice creams and fizzy drinks which are tasty and aerated drinks and all through the day. Cold drink, yummy. But do you know that these things create heat within the body? Instead, we should have drinks like fresh coconut water, lemonade, lassi and sugarcane juice. So those things are good. Yes, you can take, but in a very less amount. Because these things make our body heated up and then we feel more hot. Yes. So after ice cream, if you just believe, agree with me, after eating ice cream, we feel thirsty. मन करता है ना आइसक्रीम खाने के बाद पानी पिए. Why? Because outside ice cream is very cold, but when it goes inside, it makes our body heated up, and that is why we want to drink water. We feel thirsty. So we should, those things we should take, but in a less amount. These things which I am telling now, we should take more. Like you have in your book here. The first one, there is a picture of that coconut, the fresh coconuts, from where then you can drink the coconut water. It is the purest form of water. So here you can write in your books, it is on page number 21 in your learn to read. Name, you can write the green coconut. Last time you had it, you can write which date you had this. And taste, very sweet and tasty. Next is the carrot juice. So here name, you can write carrot. Last time you had it, you can tell which date. Maybe yesterday you had the mama made the carrot juice. And taste, it is very sweet, it is red in color and it is very tasty. The third one is a lemon juice, like a lemonade, what we call shikanji. So lemonade is there. Last time you had it, you can tell any time whenever you had it earlier. And taste, it is little sour, little sweet, and if you put a little sugar and a little black salt in it, it feels more tasty. And the last one is, in my book the picture is not very clear. Maybe it's a chiku thing, it's a chiku shake, or it's maybe some other fruit shake. You can name it and you can write all the things. Yes, it is very tasty. Here we have a wonderful story also in our book, which is related to all these healthy items. Let's think. Vikas was celebrating his 7th birthday. You are also 7 to 8 years old? Yes, or maybe 6, 7 years old? His parents, Mr. and Mrs. Verma, had organized a party for him. Mummy Mummy also does a party for you now. Yes? But nowadays very less party. And now? But Vikas was unhappy. He had a bad toothache because most of his teeth had cavities. You have cavities in your teeth? Because you eat more of burgers and pizzas. There are big holes in the teeth, and then many insects start living inside the teeth. With one hand pressed to his cheek, Vikas cut the cake. So he was having a bad toothache, and like this only he was cutting the cake, he was shaking hands with the friends, he was doing the party. When the party was in full swing, Vikas doubled over with pain. His pain was increasing more and more. This time the pain was in his stomach. Now the one was bad, the toothache pain. Now the stomach started paining. Oh mama, dard ho liya, mama, bahut dard ho liya pet mein. Not like this. The guest wondered why Vikas looked so sick and unhealthy. His mother offered him a glass of water, but he turned it down. Nahi piya ja raha. Why? Because too much stomachache. He rarely drank water. Water though he never used to drink. What he used to drink? Cold drink. Yes. The only liquid he drank were the aerated drinks, which were bad for his health. Aerated drinks, क्योंकि उसमें वो fizz होता है ना, वो bubbles आते हैं. So that was aerated drinks. Yes. And so that we should drink, yes, and we can drink. I am not saying no, but less. More we should drink the good things. When Mrs. Verma was serving food, Vikas let out a groan and fainted. Let out a groan means he shouted, "Oh! जैसे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, and he fainted. से बेहोश हो गया. Fortunately, his neighbor Mr. Kapoor was there beside him and he caught him before he fell to the floor. By chance, luckily, Mr. Kapoor, because the party was going on, Mr. Kapoor was there and Mr. Kapoor just held him. The doctor came and checked him out. He said that Vikas was suffering from acute dehydration. Oh my, do you know children what is dehydration? Dehydration means पानी की कमी हो गई. There is very less water inside your body. आपने एड्स देखे हैं ना, एंड आपने साइंस में भी पढ़ा है ना, साइंस में पढ़ा है दैट मोर 3/4 ऑफ द बॉडी इज वाटर. पढ़ा है ना आपने साइंस में, 3/4 ऑफ द बॉडी इज वाटर. अब वो वाटर सारा आपने ड्राई अप हो गया, आप और वाटर ले नहीं रहे हो, तो वाटर धीरे धीरे बॉडी का कम हो गया, एंड दैट बिकम्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. Dehydration is caused by the lack of water in the body. Less. Lack of water means when the water is very less. Vikas also had an infection in his stomach due to which he had cramps, pain, lots and lots of pain. Vikas never washed his hands. He drank water or brushed his teeth without being told to do so. And even drinking water? No. Brushing the teeth? No. Is it a good habit? No. We should brush our teeth regularly. We should drink good amount of water and we should wash our hands whenever we have to put them in our mouth, like we have to eat something or anything. We should keep washing our hands. And nowadays, so you know, because of the disease of corona also, we should wash our hands with and then sanitize them regularly. The party got over on a very sad note because Vikas was not well. Had Vikas been a healthy child who drank enough water, brushed his teeth at least twice a day, washed his hands and had a healthy diet, he would have been well and could have enjoyed the complete birthday party. So that means what we should do? We should drink good amount of water, we should brush our teeth twice a day, morning and evening. We should wash our hands regularly. We should eat a healthy diet. Again, I am not saying that never eat pizza, never eat burger. Even I like them, even I like to eat. But sometimes, not every time. Most of the time you have to eat fresh food which mama is making. Yes, you have to eat green vegetables, the leafy vegetables, spinach you have to eat. You eat all the seasonal vegetables, carrot, radish nowadays, beetroot, turnip. These all are good vegetables and very useful vegetables. In a way, vegetables are all tasty and useful. Let it be cauliflower, let it be cabbage, let it be tomato, let it be brinjal, let it be potato, let it be peas, whatever, bitter gourd, whatever it is. Things are all useful. Though yes, maybe something you don't like, then you eat less. I'm not saying you eat full meal or morning, evening, afternoon you eat only this. No, you eat less, but and you eat other things also. But still, we should eat. Yes. So what do we learn from this story? That we should have a very healthy, balanced diet, washing our hands, drinking lots and lots of water. Okay. Now on your page here, 23, they have shown you how to make lemonade. Shikanji, they have shown you how to make lemonade. So please make lemonade at home. You can make, but with the help of mama or papa or any big didi or bhaiya. Don't do it alone. Okay, fine. Now on page number 24, there are certain questions that you will try to answer in your book only. You don't have to do it in the copy. On page 24, looking back and moving forward. I'll just read the questions and then I will give it in the assignment section also. It is, think about the story that Vikas made and compare his habits with yours. How you are different from Vikas. You'll have to write just 1 or 2 lines. That yes, I drink water regularly and I wash my hands. That's all. What do you think would happen if you do not brush your teeth regularly? There will be many cavities in our teeth. What happens when we drink aerated drinks regularly? It spoils our body from inside. It harms us in many ways and we may get sick. Why is water important for our body? To keep ourselves fit and fine, healthy and very active. Yes, and you can write if you want any 1 more or 2 more things. Okay, so please do the exercise on 24 and on 23. Try to make lemonade with your mama or papa. And please read the chapter which I have read and explained to you on your page 21 and 22. And on 21, you can fill up these small areas which I have told you. You can listen in the video and you can fill up. And in the assignment section, in the assignment part, I will give you this exercise on page number 24. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you, children. Love you.